So we're reviewing the gold mesh band Hallmark watch. So inside your Hallmark jewelry case, you'll have your protective padding and cushions, and that's all there is in the box. So from looks of things, this watch looks very elegant. That's how you release your clasp at the back. That's the length of the watch. So the clasp at the end. That's your mesh band link. As you can see, it has the round gold face, gold dials with a black face. That's your adjuster there, so you can adjust the length of the watch. That's the back of the watch. It is stamped on the back of the metal casing Hallmark. This is an exclusive watch. It has a good weight to it as well. It feels made of good quality, good weighting to it, as you can see. So let's try it on and see how it looks, how comfortable it is to wear. So that's how it looks, guys. It does look very smart. It is very comfortable. As you can see, the mesh band there, and you release the clasp at the back.